RapidReviewz review. 1/100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. 2. Turn any URL into a review video or create from scratch. You can quickly and easily create review videos for any product on Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay in just a few clicks. Or you can also create your own review videos from scratch if you prefer. 3. Automatically add real and genuine reviews and images or upload your own. Our software will automatically add real and genuine reviews and images to your review videos from Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay. Or if you prefer, you can also upload your own reviews and images. 4. Legally use other people's videos inside your reviews. You can also legally use other people's videos as part of your review video. This is a great way to add even more value and engage your viewers even more. Gain more trust and authority by using other people's videos in your review. 5. Create review videos for any product, in any niche, any language. There is no limit to what you can do with this powerful software. You can also create review videos for digital products, services, software and pretty much anything you can think of. You're only limited by your imagination. 6. Select from our high-converting and highly engaging templates. We have a wide selection of DIY templates that you can use to create your review videos quickly and easily. Just pick the template that you like, edit it if required, and your video is ready to get real traffic. 7. Trending product finder. Not sure what product to review? No problem. Our software includes a trending product finder, which will show you the hottest selling products on Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay, so you can always be sure to profit from the latest trends. 8. Fully customize the look and feel with our premium editor. You decide everything from the color scheme to images, videos, text and even voiceovers, etc. You can edit almost everything in our cutting-edge video maker to make it perfect for your audience. 9. Customize your branding with intro, outro and logo. Get complete control over your brand, by including a custom intro and outro video, or even include your own logo. 10. Add incredible call to actions, CTAs, that get people clicking. You can add powerful call to action to your videos that will get people clicking through to your websites and offers. Social media buttons, arrows, subscribe buttons, smileys, GIFs, lower thirds, etc. 11. Royalty-free music library. 13. Add real human voiceovers. Forget about spending money on expensive voiceovers. You can just add your own voiceover or choose from our library of human-like AI voices. 14. Export your video in HD 720p and HD 1080p. You can choose to export your video in 720p or 1080p quality. Both of these are HD, which means you can watch your videos on all devices with no pixelation issues. Here are the major benefits you will get from RapidReviewz. 1. Leverage the highest converting review strategy for quick and easy sales. With RapidReviewz you can quickly and easily create review videos that are proven to convert. This is the same strategy that top marketers have been using for years to make sales, and it's now available to you in just a few clicks. 2. Easier, faster and profitable than other online methods. While other methods like blogging, SEO, or social media require a lot of time and effort to learn, execute, and to see results, with review videos you don't need any of that. You can just create a short video, upload it to YouTube and start getting traffic and sales quickly and easily. 3. Get an unfair, unbeatable advantage over your competition. By using RapidReviewz to create review videos, you will instantly give yourself an unfair advantage over your competition. While others are posting just 1 to 2 videos per week and wait for months to see results, you can be posting 10 to 20 videos per day and get results in hours. 4. You don't need to be a video expert or show your face, voice. Creating review videos is easy and doesn't require any video editing skills or experience. You also don't need to show your face or use your voice if you don't want to. 5. Get unlimited traffic, leads and sales from review videos. There is no limit to the amount of traffic, leads or sales you can get from review videos. The more videos you create, the more results you will see. With RapidReviewz, you can create hundreds or even 1000s of review videos with just a few clicks. 6. Get results in as little as hours from now. 7. Save thousands of dollars in video creation costs. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on video creation or hiring expensive video creators. With RapidReviewz, you can create professional quality review videos for a fraction of the cost. 8. Save tons of time, effort and headache. Creating review videos can be time-consuming and frustrating if you don't have the right tools or know-how. With RapidReviewz, you can create videos in minutes with just a few clicks. This will save you tons of time, effort and headache. 9. Easily scale, grow and profit. Most marketers fail because they are not consistent, they run out of patience, time, money and get frustrated. With RapidReviewz, you can create hundreds of videos, scale your business and make boatloads of money without ever getting discouraged. Because it's so simple. 10. No editing skills, budget or experience required. You don't need any skills, budget, or experience to use RapidReviewz. All you need is a desire to become successful. Just follow our simple step-by-step instructions and you'll be able to create traffic-getting, commission-generating video reviews in no time. 11. It's suitable for complete newbies and experienced marketers alike. It doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie or experienced marketer. RapidReviewz is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online. If you're a newbie, our simple instructions will help you get started quickly and easily. If you're an experienced marketer, our powerful features will help you scale your business to the next level. 12. Free updates in forever. We don't just give you a product and walk away. We do our best to keep improving the product. We will continue to release new features and updates for free into the future. Complete the second part of the review, link in description.